I'm gonna be the Pirate King. I don't care who you are, I will surpass you. If I die trying, then at least I tried. I won't let anyone take away my dream. No matter how hard or impossible it is, never lose sight of your goal. I won't forgive anyone who hurts my friends. Being alone is more painful than getting hurt. I'll protect my friends, no matter what. I don't need a reason to help someone. Power isn't determined by your size, but the size of your heart and dreams. I'll find one piece and become the Pirate King, even if I have to go through hell. I won't run away, no matter how tough the enemy is. I'm not a hero, I'm a pirate. As long as I'm alive, I'll keep fighting. I'm rubber, you're glue. Whatever you throw at me bounces off and sticks to you. I smell adventure. I don't want to conquer anything, but the person with the most freedom on the sea is the Pirate King. If I give up now, I'm going to regret it. I'll never back down from a fight. I don't need treasure, but I'll take it if it helps me on my journey. I'll make my own path, even if it means going against the world. I believe in my crew, and together we can achieve anything. I won't let anyone take away my freedom. I won't let anyone control my fate. I won't let anyone break my spirit. I don't need luck. I make my own destiny. I won't let fear hold me back. I'll protect what's important to me, no matter the cost. I won't let anyone stop me from reaching my dreams. I don't want to be a hero, but I'll be the best damn pirate. I won't give up, even if the odds are against me. I'll fight for what's right, even if it means standing alone. I won't let injustice go unpunished. I'll never forget those who have helped me on my journey. I won't let anyone bring me down. I'll show the world the strength of my spirit. I won't let anyone crush my dreams. I'll protect my nakama with everything I've got. I'll never lose sight of my goal, no matter how many obstacles come my way. I'll keep moving forward, even if I stumble along the way. I won't let my past define my future. I'll challenge the strongest opponents and come out victorious. I'll break through any barriers in my path. I'll never give up on my dreams, no matter how impossible they may seem. I won't let anyone take away my freedom to roam the seas. I'll make my mark in history as the greatest pirate. I'll create my own destiny, no matter what others say. I'll become a legend that will be remembered for generations. I'll bring laughter and joy to the world, even in the darkest times. I'll never stop chasing my dreams, because that's what makes life worth living.